Let's briefly go over how we can insert figures into our documents and modify them. So one way to insert figures is from the top menu. We can choose Object and either choose inline or numbered. Now this will insert a figure either centered or inline. Alternatively, if you've already got a picture copied to your clipboard, you can hit Ctrl V and paste it into the document. Now we've pasted our figure and we see that it's very big. So we can select the figure and head up to the top right, open the inspector. And using the inspector, we can scale the figure down. So we can change the width to, say, 150 pixels, and this will scale the figure down, keeping the aspect ratio the same. Now we could also rotate the picture. If we head down to rotation, we can change this to 45 degrees, hit enter, and now our picture has been rotated. And that is a quick explanation of how to work with figures in Hypatia.